For me, cooking Chinese food in New York City is a way for me to kind of like pay homage to Chinese cuisine, to my heritage. I think it's really important for me to celebrate our culture and diversity in New York City. Chinese food in New York right now is the next chapter. We are the next generation of chefs that are evolving Chinese food beyond expectation.
Lee Kum Kee has always been a very crucial part of my understanding on Chinese food. My grandma's name is Yingtao, which is also the name of the restaurant. My memory of Chinese cooking is all from her. She taught me how to cook. What we're doing is finding the innovative way and finding more possibility for Chinese cooking.
In fine dining context, people romanticize very obscure ingredients, but they often overlook foundational ingredients. For guests experiencing for the first time, it's to show that Chinese cuisine can be very personal. Families and restaurants have been using Lee Kum Kee products for generations. And there is a lot of trust in Lee Kum Kee.
What people don't know about our restaurant is that we don't actually use a lot of salt. Soy sauce kind of replaces the salinity and then also the umami and then builds up a lot of like flavors and depth that a dish is needed to create beautiful dishes in our restaurant. For Lo Mai Gai, I'm using a lot of different types of soy sauce. I'm using chicken marinade, I'm using dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, first draw soy sauce, and some sesame oil as well. So I think it really is the perfect dish to feature for this.
Using the Lee Kum Kee's product is we're always gonna deliver the Michelin star level of consistency as a Chinese kitchen staple versus we are doing something very experimental and new, memory and future, contemporary cooking and traditional cooking.
I think what we're doing here is very personal. It's not just a dinner, it's not just a plate of food or a dish that you think about, but it's about the experience coming together. That's also something that, we want to see more in the fine dining scene, is this bold representation, not anything muted. So for us at Yingtao, it's about telling a little bit more of a greater story, showing a little bit more of craftsmanship and intention behind what we're doing.